Hey Eagles, it's Abby,
Carsyn, Hadley,
and JJ reporting for Eagle News.
and today we're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory. The Cheesecake Factory Incorporated is an American restaurant company and distributor of cheesecakes based in the United States. The company operates 220 full-service restaurants, 206 under the Cheesecake Factory brand, 13 under the Grand Lux Cafe brand, and 1 under the Rock Sugar Southeast Asian Kitchen brand.
They offer many drinks such as their famous lemonades and many soft drinks.
At Cheesecake Factory, while you're waiting for your food to arrive, you guys have complimentary bread. They have chocolate bread and regular bread.
Cheesecake Factory offers many appetizers such as Tex-Mex egg rolls and many more. In the Tex-Mex egg rolls, there are chicken, beans, corn, tomatoes, bell peppers, and many more. For my entree, I got the orange chicken with the side of french fries. It's very good. The orange chicken is very crispy and so are the fries. Things you can also get is their flatbread pizza. They come in pepperoni and cheese. They also have good steak options such as New York steak. As it is in their name, the Cheesecake Factory is most known for their cheesecake. Cheesecake Factory offers over 30 different cheesecake flavors. Some of their most well-known cheesecake flavors are tiramisu, chocolate hazelnut, cinnabon, and many more. We ordered the tiramisu cheesecake and it was really good. We really enjoyed eating at Cheesecake Factory. We would all give it a 10 out of 10. While you're waiting for your reservation at Cheesecake Factory, you can go to neighboring companies such as Barnes & Noble and Polaris Fashion Place.
Bye! Okay.